So this is the Nauticat 38 with the mainsail up. This boat is reefed from the aft deck and all lines are drawn to the aft deck. I will show you how it's done. So this is the cockpit or the aft deck of the Nauticat 38. This is where all the lines from the mainsail are coming, all the lines from the reefing. No need to go to the mast. I'll show you how it's done, and let's start on the port side. The blue line here is the uphaul for taking the sail up. The blue line is going here, all along the roof, to the mast, and up to the top of the mast, of course, getting the sail up. And then, when you're reefing, you need to attach the sail in the bottom and in the top. So let's see how it's done. This red and white line here is the reef line on the mast. Also, this blue line here is the first reef on the mast. The blue line is going down here and back to the aft deck. Also, this red and white line here is going aft. Then you have two lines going at the back of the sail. You can see it there is the one, and there is the other. They go down to the boom, inside the boom to the mast, and then back here, one on each side on the roof to the aft deck. So you have 5 lines to the aft deck. It's the blue one taking the sail up, and then you have 2 lines from the front of the sail going backwards, 2 lines from the aft of the sail going backwards, and they all end up here. So if I want to take a reef now, I lower the sail, I take in the 2 loose lines, and then the sail up a little bit again. Then reef 1 is done. Same with reef 2. So now the first reef is done. As you can see, the white and red line here is holding the sail down and backwards. The line is going through the boom and to this position. In the front, I have not been to the mast, but just to show you, in the front, the blue line here, not this one, but this blue line here, taking the sail down in the front, and then the blue line is going here and backwards. So this first reef was done without going to the mast, and the same will be with the second reef. There is a line taking the sail down in the front, and there is a line taking the sail down in the back. All the lines, they end up here in the cockpit on the aft deck. And of course it will be a lot of lines, it will be long lines, and it will be a mess if you don't take care of your lines and keep it tidy. But I'd rather have lines to keep tidy than going to the mast to do the reef, especially since I often sail alone or with short-handed crew. And now same thing with the second reef. This reef line is going from the sail to the boom, inside the boom, and then back here to the aft deck. And same with this reef line in the front. This one, it's going from here up to the sail, down to this block, and following the line here to the aft deck, to the safe and secure place to be. Now, not much sail left. Nauticat 38, what a fantastic boat.